guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Katrina, and today I would like to introduce our new Tie-Dye Bleached Collection. And they embrace a lot of products and available in 3 materials: cotton filling t-shirt, a linen apron, and tote bag, drawstring backpack, pillow cover, and show plush throw blanket. And here's our new tie-dye cotton filling t-shirts, and they're available in 15 different patterns you can choose from, and they are good elasticity, wrinkle-free, and easy to wash, so they are perfect for your daily look. And next is a linen collection. A linen collection is soft, breathable, and fade-resistant. And all of the linen collection have 5 different colors you can choose from: yellow, blue, black, red, and green. And next, I would like to introduce this show plush throw blanket. They are high quality and wrinkle resistant and super soft. And they're available in 2 different colors, blue and black, and 2 different shapes, heart shape and squared. All of the product can be sublimated with wavy patterns. Okay, let's see how it works.